Today we'll be going over this E92 Retrofit. We'll be starting it. This is the LCI model. The E90 series, E90X series didn't come with this option for the M3 models, but the other models did get this LCI update, which essentially comes with a cornering light. You know, a lot of it is very similar. The shroud, the bezel, you know, has the same type of writing on it, uses the same projector. We think the internals should be similar, extremely similar, if not almost the same. But the LCI model comes with that LED cluster for the turn signal, which is really cool. You got the eyebrow with a little bit of a parking light. The other one does come with the pre-LCI, but it's a little bit of a different design. Unfortunately, these eyebrows, they do yellow a little bit. The lenses get messed up just like they kind of wear on any other model, but the projector is very similar. And yeah, it's even got the cornering light with the same kind of lens there. So we'll be opening these up, show you the process here a little bit for the upgrade. This specific upgrade will get the G5 BRTs. This is actually going overseas in a right-hand drive country. So we'll be doing a retrofit there. We'll show you how that looks and show you the performance differences. And of course, yeah, these have stock looking halos, but they're actually powered by the LEDs, the LED modules on the bottom, which gives you just a nicer, cleaner white color versus the yellow that would come out of the H8 bulb, I believe, on the other ones. So subtle differences for this LCI, and our retrofit will be subtle as well. We'll show you what the process looks like. We'll do some new lenses, and we'll get this shipped out to our customer over in Singapore. Should be pretty awesome. But stay tuned for the next step. We'll show you how it all looks. All right, these got split open. You don't need to do this if you're doing this or if you're trying to figure out how to do this. We cut the lenses off. That way we have access to both sides of this channel. It's definitely doable without cutting it open. As far as the internals go, they're a little bit more complicated than the pre-LCI ones, of course, because you got the halo LED boards. There's the LED cluster, of course. It's pretty similar otherwise. This is what we see in the BMW E70 internal, so we're definitely fully familiar with that AFS frame. And yeah, we'll be retrofitting the new projector in there. These are nice and toasty. These are separate lights that the customer actually got, so that way they didn't have to worry about any downtime. And yeah, we'll get this going. This is going to retain a stock look. And these are going to get thrown away in just a moment. Just wanted to show you how it all comes apart. Here's the projector before putting on the shrouds and the bezels and getting the everything ready to be put back together. Again, similar or same to the E70 setup. The G5 BRT does require a good amount of shaving. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. You can see it has to clear that black frame in the front as it goes by. So you can see on the left-hand side, right over here, you can see it just got like a hair of clearance, which is really important for full AFS movement. We've actually used a little bit of epoxy to reinforce the sides because so much has to be trimmed off. We don't want anything getting loose or any kind of shifting in the beam pattern. So the E70 videos, I think we have 3 of them that really go into depth if you want to see how that's done, but you're trimming until it clears. It's a very straightforward thing, but yeah, you can see that projector sort of gets really kind of minimized. We'll check it out from the back end here. But yeah, next we'll compare the outputs. We'll be doing a quick comparison between these 2 projectors. This is the original projector. It's what we call the Bosch by Xenon. We've got some D2 bulbs installed right now, Osram CBNs. Bowl is not burned up or anything like that. It's a little bit hazy, which is common and normal. You got that like frosty lens that's on here. You can see it's not fully optically clear. If you guys have seen the other videos, you'll know what we're talking about. You can see that G5 BRT has the AR coating. It's like a bluish purplish coating that increases efficiency. And yeah, this is it all assembled, ready to kind of go back together. We've got this sealant removed, and we'll be placing in the diadynamic sealant. That's the one that we use. There's also the Morimoto retro rubber that you can use, but this is fully prepped as far as the permaseal removal goes, and we're just in the testing phase and putting it back together basically. but we'll show off the outputs between the two. You can see them in other videos. Unfortunately, this is a right-hand drive projector, so the cutoffs aren't going to necessarily match, but we'll use we'll just take a look at it, see how it looks. All right, these are a little bit hard to prop up, so we're actually holding the projectors and just showing you the output. It's G5 BRT up top. You can see the cutoff is much sharper, and you got some color to it, which is nice. People like that. The Bosch by Xenon, you can see the hotspot sort of weighted a little bit lower, and the cutoff is kind of flary and what we call like a mountain cutoff almost. Flares up all the way on the right, kind of dips down on the left-hand side. The G5 BRT is more straight throughout, and it's obviously brighter. So you got really nice characteristics, and right now we're not doing the lux comparison, but generally speaking, these are, you gain about 2 times the shear intensity, but your output also expands to the outsides, and you have a much larger and fuller hotspot area. So that does translate to really great performance on the road. Here we are with the final product. These came out awesome. Check out the new lenses. This looks brand new, and again, you can just see that something's a little different with that projector, that G5 BRT coating. I love that. It never gets old, honestly. Now, yeah, these could use some new gaskets up top. Those are replaceable. You can get a tab repair kit from BMW. This customer sourced out these assemblies from a local, parts reseller or a local recycler, they call them. But yeah, I mean, we completely refinished and overhauled them with brand new lenses, new projectors. Customers got some new night breaker bulbs at home, so we didn't install any bulbs. But these are getting packed up and shipping off to Singapore, which is super exciting. It's good to see our work going around the world. We've shipped just about everywhere at this point, so super awesome to see. The clarity is pretty awesome on these lenses. They look perfect. We're very satisfied with the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let us know if we can help you. We aim for perfection. So high performance results, new looks. What else could you ask for? Guys, subscribe to the channel. Please support us, call us, email us, contact us, however you want to do business. We're happy to talk lighting with you, okay? Have a great day. Take care.